Welcome to another video, and in today's video, I don't know why I have no hat on. I normally have a hat on, there we go. I will be literally playing Car Crusher 2. Yeah. We will be doing a few things. So the first thing I want to do is drive normally, see what happens. And then after that, I'm going to turn into a maniac and drive like a maniac. I look like one, don't I? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna drive normally, and we're gonna see. We're just gonna drive normally, and we're gonna see what happens. This is normally here. Listen. That would be the only way to go around. Why am I flipped over? I'm cooked, I'm so cooked. I need to hurry up. Sorry for it being so damn laggy. Yup, we're cooked. Or I honestly have no clue where the helicopter even is. Okay, so I got a new car we're gonna do this in. Oh, smart car. Okay, now, you saw what happened there. Now we're gonna drive like an insane person and see what happens. Just no brakes at all, anytime soon. And we're gonna see how it handles when it does that. Already crashed. Yup. Just a normal day. Nothing out of the usual. My game's just straight up lag now. Not the water! I'm back here again and I don't know how to get out. What is going on here? Grip, 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 grip. Did it just die? I think it just died. No, it didn't. Yes, it did. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. That's gonna be the end of this video. Goodbye, children.